Hello all, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to see this little device, M2 SSD to USB 3.1 enclosure. Why I decided to make a quite short video about this because somehow this device impressed me. So let's see it to avoid boring you too much with this. It's not something rich inside and so on. It's enclosure here, two cables, USB-C to USB-A and USB-C to USB-C. Little these are to fix M2 SSD drive to the board, and these are cooling pads for better cooling of inserted SSD drive. So 512 gigabytes M2 SSD drive. It already have cooling pad on it. It's a little thick, but I think it will fit. To open this lid, it's obvious. Just look it. It's like move it on the side and take it out. Then here it is, how it looks inside. Check it. I have it here. So, like I said, press it, but you need to place, look at it, like here, and then press it inside. And close it. We're going to check how it works. I will use this. This is HyperX from Kingston, 1 terabyte drive, external drive. I will use this cable on both of this, and we'll test this one and this one. Both will be connected by USB-C. We will use this software. That's going to be. So first, let's see how Kingston will perform. Is it refreshed? No, it's H drive. So this software, let's restart this software. Let's see now if it's yeah, here it is. Kingston HyperX Savage. Of course that I will speed up these tests for you. I don't want they take about 5 minutes these tests, but who will sit and watch 5 minutes for how tests going? It's better for you to see start of test and end results. So this is the Kingston. So this was HyperX test, and here we will see G Micron generic SCSI disk device. Same tests, and let's go. This one this one is very expensive, believe me. This one enclosure is 10 US dollars, and how much you will pay for drive? Another 50 US dollars, and you have quite faster and better external drive than HyperX. That is what I wanted to say. It's not always that brand name is fastest and better. Thank you for watching this, and see you in next video.